Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming which narrator is active and why it started, because that guides the turn-off method. Once you know it's Windows Narrator or VoiceOver, make sure your keyboard is ready. Shortcuts save time. Now open Settings and go straight to Ease of Access or Accessibility so you can find the narrator controls. You're not configuring anything else yet. You're locating the control panel where the on/off toggle and shortcut settings live, which makes the next step quick and reliable. You can usually stop the narrator immediately with a shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Win+Enter to toggle it off, and on Mac, press Command+F5 for VoiceOver. If the shortcut fails, navigate Settings, Accessibility or Ease of Access, and switch the narrator or VoiceOver toggle to off. Make sure to apply or save if prompted, because some systems require confirmation. Once done, test audio and speech. Confirm the voice stops and that other accessibility features remain configured the way you want. After turning the narrator off, complete the process by checking Startup Apps so it won't relaunch automatically. If it still speaks, restart the device to clear stuck processes, and then recheck the accessibility settings and shortcut assignments to ensure no hotkey re-enables it. If problems persist, update your OS and accessibility drivers because outdated software can mishandle toggles. Key troubleshooting tip: if toggle fails repeatedly, remove the narrator from startup entries or create a temporary new user account to isolate profile-specific settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.